fasting beast. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to activate your human growth hormone naturally. So the human growth hormone is activated with intermittent fasting. So when you do intermittent fasting and you in a fasting state, in an empty stomach, so your body is gonna look for energy. So it's gonna go to your fat and it's gonna go to your muscle, and your body is gonna activate the human growth hormone to make sure you use your muscle to protect your muscle. So you use your fat as an energy. So it's the best fat burner. So when you empty stomach and you go to the gym, you work out, or you go do some cardio, whatever, you use your fat as an energy. So there's a lot of benefits by doing intermittent fasting. So I believe I'm gonna make a video with the top 10. So I am the fasting beast.